Welcome to iSTEM, the Indian Science, Technology and Engineering Facilities Map. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to set up a department and create department or representative's account on the iSTEM portal. Log in as an institute head or institute representative. Navigate to Create, View, Update, select Department and then click Add New button. Enter the department details and click Submit. The department will be created and no login credentials will be created for this entry. Return to the department list, click the department name and click Create Department Admin. Enter the department representative's details and click Submit. Department representative login credentials will be sent to their registered email ID. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more tutorials on iSTEM. Visit www.istem.gov.in to explore India's largest R&D infrastructure network.